Patterns are perhaps the most widespread mathematical concept, encompassing both abstract physical elements in this world in which we live in.
Music, dance, flowers, and faunas, and even our everyday lives, every single thing within our world and every element of our existence has been evolved with a diverse array of mathematical patterns. Each corresponds with their behavior, structure, and entirety.
Notable example of patterns occurring over everyday life are us, human beings, fulfilling our biological needs. For instance, eating, drinking, we do that every day, and we do it over a definite schedule in a pattern. Another notable instance of pattern occurring over everyday life are us, students, complying with our daily school schedule throughout the remainder of the school year or school semester. Many more examples of patterns occurring over everyday life will be stated and elucidated upon throughout the remainder of this video.
Magkalisod para sa exam mo eh. Saan naman po datang next day? Asa naman ta?
DBA man, ang atong next schedule.
Yeah. Ah, DBA?
Lang, kumita ng balat na.
Kaya naman tata. Excuse me, yeah. Ah, madali ang DBA yan.
Uy, fresh kayo, ma'am?
Oo.
Ay, dito na sa Carabao Center.
Ah,
Hindi na ako
This physics student follows two different schedules in the first 2 days of the week. Meanwhile, every Wednesday, his or her schedule is left blank. On Thursday and Friday, however, their schedule is the same as their schedule on Monday and Tuesday. On Saturday, the student's schedule is solely comprised of the intensity-related subject. This pattern of schedule is observed to strictly repeat throughout the entire semester.
An average human being eats at least 3 times a day and spends the remainder of the nighttime sleeping. This pattern has been observed to repeat itself the next day and the day after that. And the occurrence and repetition of such pattern has been observed to encompass the entire lifetime of an average person.
We spend most of our day in school. We do walking, talking, running, and many more. And as we do this, we consume water in our body. Sometimes we forget to drink water. We should always remember that drinking water is important. Here are 2 examples of patterns in drinking water. First, 30 minutes prior to meal, sip 1 glass of water to aid with digestion. Lastly, if you are actively moving, hydrate 6 to 12 ounces of water every 10 to 15 minutes. Cheers!
Since we are at an early age, it has been taught by our parents that we make brushing our teeth a habit for our personal hygiene. Up until now, it has been one of our daily routine to brush our teeth after we have a meal or before going out to maintain a clean grooming. We have been taught to brush our teeth in different ways, and we can observe a bunch of pattern here. For example, we can start brushing our teeth in up and down pattern, and side to side, and also in a circular fashion. After that, we can gargle, wrap it up.
exercising follows a very strict repetitions of actions. Push-ups, for an instance. Push-ups follows a pattern characterized by lowering the body and lifting it by using the arms against the ground, like this. Jogging is also another form of exercise. It can be accomplished by alternating the positions of one's feet in a rapid and forward motion in a repetitive fashion.
Walking is done through putting our foot forward in an alternating pattern. This is done through lifting the other foot in a moment, eventually letting the same foot touch the ground to charge one's position. The same process is then done to the other foot. Hence, walking is made possible through pattern movements of the foot.
The execution of household chores involves the application of repetition of certain actions or patterns. For instance, using rags to clean an object always involves a pattern. As you can see here, I am moving the rag in a circular fashion, cleaning the plate, which is evidently an example of a pattern. Another notable instances or example of the application of pattern in doing household chores is cleaning using a broomstick. As you can see here, the broomstick is being moved forward and then backward and then forward and then backward again, enabling the removal of dirt as I use this broomstick to clean out the surface of this room, which is, as I see, a very good example of a pattern or the application of pattern in the execution of household chores.
As what have been said during the earlier part of this video, pattern encompasses every element of our very existence and all the things around us.
The aforementioned statement is a gross understatement of the impact of mathematics to our lives.
Hence, our appreciation and enthusiasm for the MMW subject should equate the value of mathematics to us not only as a student but a human being.
Hi everyone, my name is Tia.
I'm Giancarlo.
I'm Princess.
And Rizzo.
And Sirius.
Marvin and Chris, thank you for watching.
Bye-bye!
Mamang tibi diri. Ambot lagi. Ha, Maro,
Tuara!
TV. Wow, so amazing. Tah, bedagan ta lito ta.